We can all do the math, and filling out surveys won't make you a millionaire. And if you don't really like the idea of being one of the people trying to sell the next trending product, the next new home, or showing up at your coworker's house delivering them an Uber Eats, here are some lesser known side hustles that can get you up to $200 an hour. Each of these will require certifications or licenses, so you know your competition won't just be somebody with the luxury of a smartphone. Number 1, a signing agent. As a notary public, you specialize in loan signings, guiding clients through the signing process of real estate transactions. Signing agents are paid per appointment and can earn a substantial fee for each signature. Here's a story of a 22-year-old woman who, during her college career, actually started this. Now, here are the certifications, timeline, costs, difficulty, earning potential, and who you'll be working with as a notary public. Next, and still working with realtors, we have home inspector. Now, by obtaining your home inspector certification, you can evaluate the condition of properties for buyers or sellers. Home inspectors are paid per inspection, with fees dependent on the size and complexity of the property. Now, here is the certification and timeline, cost and difficulty and earning potential and who you'll be working with. Next on our list, going away from homes and going toward the people living in them, we have life coaches. Now, for life coaches, you'll be working primarily with other people and you're servicing clients in areas such as personal development, career growth, or relationships. Life coaches can charge hourly or per session or can sell packages. And their rates vary between who they serve and, of course, their level of expertise and the specification. Here are the certifications, timeline, cost, difficulty, earning potential, and who they will be working with as a life coach. Coming in number 4 on our list is a mediator. By acquiring a mediator certificate, you can help individuals and organizations resolve conflicts or disputes. Mediators are typically paid per case or by the hour, with fees depending on the complexity of the dispute and the mediator's experience. Here are the certifications, time, cost, difficulty, and earning potential for a mediator. Now, the primary clients for mediators are individuals, organizations, and businesses involved in conflicts or disputes. Now, if you are someone, of course, the last two were life coach and mediator who likes to work with people, these are going to be kind of your side hustle places. Now, this can be some extra thing you can pick up on the side. If you're an attorney, you can be a mediator. I remember when I was in a court case, I had my case filed in arbitration, which had a mediator who was an ex-judge. She did it as a side hustle. This can be something you can do. But if you think you can be a mediator just because you like talking to people, may not be the right gig for you. Now, we are halfway through the list, and if you do like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you are doing these side hustles and why you are doing it. It'd be very helpful for me to make more of this kind of content for you. Number 5, back to real estate. Property managers. Property manager certification enables you to manage residential or commercial properties on behalf of owners. Property managers can charge a percentage of the rental income or a flat fee per property managed. Here are the certifications, the time it takes, the cost, difficulty, earning potential, and of course the primary clients. Moving on our list to number 6, which is kind of an interesting one, is a sleep consultant. Now, as a sleep consultant, you can help clients improve their sleep quality and habits. Sleep consultants often charge per consultation or can create packages and earn a substantial fee depending on their level of expertise. Now, here are the certifications, time, cost, difficulty, earning potential, and who they potentially could be working with as a sleep consultant. Number 7, we have an energy auditor. With an energy auditor certification, you can assess homes or businesses for energy efficiency and recommend improvement. Energy auditors are typically paid per assessment, with fees dependent on the size and complexity of the property. Now, here are the certifications, the time it takes, cost, difficulty, and earning potential of an energy auditor. And their primary clients, of course, are homeowners, property managers, businesses seeking energy efficient home improvements, and last, probably the easiest of all the side hustles, we have a voiceover artist. Acquiring voice acting training or certifications can help you find work as a freelance voiceover artist for commercials, audiobooks, or animations. Voiceover artists are generally paid per project or by the hour, with rates varying based on experience and project scope. Here, the certification, the time it takes, the cost, earning potentials, and potential clients. Voiceover is something that I'm going to say is very risky nowadays, especially with AI and all the voice replicating techniques that are being developed in the software today. Voice replication has been pretty impressive. Now, keep in mind too that all of these side hustles are influenced by local factors. All seven, eight that we talked about today do rely on you to go out there and make connections with either realtors or with people to consult them one on one. It's going to require you to do some kind of a marketing, local marketing, take out business cards potentially, which could all add up to cost and time. So if you wanted to do something that was more of a home hustle, be sure to check my video coming up here so you can see what the top home hustles that ChatGPT recommends, or you can check this video here if you want to learn more about how to market a side hustle online to better your side hustle's success.